Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin, guys. And this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of XRP. What's the price changes on XRP. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about XRP Ripple coin, guys. You already know about XRP that from a previous last 7 days the XRP price completely decreased, completely going down. So in this video I'm talking about the reason behind that, why the XRP price falls down, and when there's again possibilities that the price will pump. So let's go ahead and let's start the video, guys. The live and latest price of XRP in the market is about 1.11 USD dollar. That is the live price of XRP. And furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes of XRP, so now the last one day and last 1 week, you can see here the changes last 1 day and last 1 week. These both changes is negative, except of these the last 1 hour changes is positive, guys. Let me show you the price chart of XRP. You can see here, guys, from a price chart here the price falls down, but from yesterday the falling of XRP is stopped. You can see here not falls down more. You can see here not they falls for 1 day, and now in the latest situation they are going neutral. I think they are going neutral, not down, not up, down. But possibilities that now they start gradually jumping. Gradually, slowly the price will pump, guys. Other side, if you talk about the changes of positive 35.62% changes occur in the XRP in 1.41 USD dollar is the highest price of XRP in the market, guys. So guys, I hope you all like this update video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates video.